Hello everybody and welcome. For the stitch I'm going to show you today, we need to chain multiple of 6 plus 2 additional chains at the end. I'm going to work on a small swatch to show you the steps. I'm going to chain 24 plus 2 additional chains, which makes total of 26 chains. Now that we have our chains, let's start working on row 1. We need to make one single crochet in each chain, starting from the second chain from the hook, right here. Okay, row 1 is ready. Now for row 2, we have to chain 3 and turn. We have to make 5 double crochet. The chain is also going to count as a stitch, so we're going to start from the next stitch. One, two, three, 4 and 5. Then chain 1, skip 1 stitch and 5 more double crochet in the next stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chain 1, skip 1 stitch, then 5 more double crochets. At the end of the row, you should have 6 double crochet. To start row 3, chain 1 and turn. Now we have to make 6 single crochets. The chain doesn't count as a stitch on this row, so we're going to start from the very first stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Chain 1. Now we're going to skip this chain here and go directly into the next group of double crochet. We have to make 5 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chain 1 and then again into the next group of double crochet. At the end of the row, you also have to have 6 single crochet. I have 5. The 6 will be in the chain at the end. To start row 4, chain 3 and turn. Now in this stitch here, the chain counts as a stitch. In the next stitch we have to make double crochet, but we will not finish it. We'll leave it like this. The next step is to make one treble crochet. We have to make it around the 4th double crochet of row 2. So this is our row 2 here with the double crochet. We have to count 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 4th double crochet. Around it we have to make one treble crochet. If you don't know how to make treble crochet, I'll show you now. Yarn over. When we yarn over once, we have double crochet. When we yarn over twice on the hook, now we have treble crochet. So yarn over twice, go behind the double crochet and pull up the yarn. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. When we have 3 loops remaining on the hook, yarn over and pull through all of them. This way we are finishing together the double crochet and the treble crochet, and it looks like this. Okay, let's check what's going on the back. So when we turn slightly, we can see here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 stitches and the chain. In the first 3 stitches we have to make one double crochet. One, 2 and 3, and we have one more stitch left. In there we're going to make one double crochet, but we are not going to finish it like this. Then we have to make another treble crochet. So we yarn over 2 times and we are going around the same stitch. Like this. Yarn over, pull the loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and when we have 3 loops remaining on the hook, yarn over, pull through them. And this is how it's looking so far. From now on we continue with, we're skipping this part here where is the chain, and we're going into the next stitch. Again we have to make one double crochet, not finishing. Yarn over twice. Our next treble crochet will be in the middle double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Here is the 3rd middle stitch going behind it. The same way, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. When you have 3 loops remaining on the hook, yarn over, pull through all of them. Then 3 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. In the next stitch, 1 double crochet, which we are not going to finish. Yarn over twice. Around the same stitch we're going to make the next treble crochet. Like this. Then chain 1. Okay, these are the steps. I wait for you at the end to show you how to finish the row. So at the end of the row, it's a little bit different, but not much. we have our remaining 6 stitches. First, in the first stitch, we're going to make 1 double crochet, not finishing it, keeping it this way. Now it's time for the treble crochet. We're going to make it in the 3rd double crochet, around the 3rd double crochet. Here's the 1st, 2nd, 3rd. Going around it the same way. Sorry. And here we have our our treble crochet. Then we have to make our 3 double crochet at the back. 1, 2 and 3. 2 stitches left at the end. In the next one we are going to make 1 unfinished double crochet and then the next treble crochet around the same double crochet, like this. Make 1 double crochet in the last stitch. Row 5 is the same as row 3. We're going to start with 1 chain and turn, and then 6 single crochet. The chain doesn't count, so we have to start from the very beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Chain 1, skipping this chain here and going into the next group of double crochet. Here we're going to make 5 single. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chain 1 and then 5 more. At the end, again we have to make 6 single. The last one is in the chain. And this is how it's looking so far. For row 6, chain 3 and turn. We're going to start again with 1 double crochet, not finished. We're leaving it like that. Then it's time to make the treble crochet. We're going to work into these stitches right here in the middle stitch. So between this treble crochet and this treble crochet we have 3 double crochet. We're going to insert the hook behind the middle stitch, yarn over, pull through, and then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. When we have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all of them, just like the previous row. Then 3 double crochet in the stitches behind. Like this. In the next stitch we're making 1 unfinished double crochet, and then the next treble crochet is also around the same stitch. and then chain 1. Okay, and then we're moving on to the next group of stitches. Here we have the chain. We're skipping that. We're going into this stitch right here with one unfinished double crochet. This is the stitch where we have to make the next treble crochet. Okay guys, I wait for you at the end of the row. Okay, you can see how it looks so far. What I have left to do is just make one double crochet here at the last stitch. And this is how it's looking. From now on, you have to repeat row 5, then row 6, row 5, then row 6, until you reach the desired length. This is the stitch, guys. I hope you find this video useful. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!